So the next thing I'm going to talk about is the understanding the Java syntax. All right. So let us go back to our IntelliJ. All right. So I see my IntelliJ screen. How about now?
I'm only seeing the PowerPoint.
How about now?
Yes, I'm seeing.
All right. Now, the syntax, I made mention in our last class that the syntax is like the way this code is structured. Okay. So you can't just come and mess around with things here. Everything has to be exactly as it is. Is that okay? Supposing I go ahead to remove this semicolon here, it will definitely bounce off and give me an error. See red everywhere. This is one hint. This is another hint. Okay. Under problems here, you see that there's a problem. All right. So if you click it.
Where is the problem?
No, look at the bottom of my screen.
Okay.
Problems. Right. So you see this one error is showing one error highlighted. Is that right? So if you click on this bulb icon, you should be able to see more information about the error. And how smart it is that it's even suggesting probably the quick fix for that error. It's trying to do or tell us to insert semicolon. How about that? Right? So it has, when you click insert semicolon, it does insert the semicolon for you and the error goes off. So sometimes when you're writing your code and you encounter error, or you are writing your code, I notice that it's not giving you what you want. Just try and look. Probably there's an error somewhere, right? Now,
or you can just do Ctrl+Z till you go back to the point you were to fix it.
Okay, like undo, right?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. So one other thing that you can also do is notice that it is also case sensitive. Right, so everything here has main. Don't just come, maybe because this one is main, I'll just come, okay, maybe write this main with small letter M and as small letter A and all that. Remember, we have two main here. So this main is different from this main. I seen that?
Yes, sir.
So we also have this system here. It's written with capital letter S. If I go ahead to change this capital letter S to small letter, it will definitely bounce off and give me an error.
So red is error.
Okay. It says what? Look at, if I click this icon, it brings up this cannot resolve symbol system. And it says what? :3. What this :3 means, the code is on line 3. Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah,
all right.
The issue is on line 3.
Thank you. So make sure you are very, very careful when writing your code in Java. It doesn't just take anything that you put. You have to be very, very specific. You have to be very, very particular about how you write your code. Then one other thing I want to point out to us, if I click on any of those opening curly brackets, it will show me where the closing curly bracket is. Can you try that out?
Yes.
All right. Yes. So when you click on this opening curly bracket, it will show you where the closing curly bracket is.
So it's called curly bracket.
Yeah, curly brackets. Or some people call it curly braces or something. All right. Now, the thing also is that this public class main, okay? So this main here is a class, all right? Then here is, this second line is a method. So you always have a method within a class. Please, if what I'm saying now does not make sense, don't just worry, all right? It will eventually make sense, but just the practicals that we're doing or whatever hands-on that we're doing, make sure you understand what is happening. Is that all right?
Yes.
Okay, then this System.out.println actually prints the string within the speech marks. Also, remember I'll have double quotes and I'll have single quotes. Don't go and change this to maybe single quotes and it will not actually work. Is that right? Don't go and change it to single quote, it will not work. All right?
So simply just don't touch anything besides the words inside the quotation marks.
Yeah, the words inside the quotation marks, you can definitely change it to something else. I can probably say simple, right? And I run it and it will...
Yeah, I changed mine to something else. See if it run and it ran.
What it's trying to tell you is that anything within the quotation mark, it will just print it to the screen for you. But don't mess around with the structure. The structure means don't mess around with maybe this curly bracket. Don't mess around with this square bracket. Don't mess around with these brackets, okay? You can introduce yours, but make sure that when you're introducing it, you are following the syntax, right?
Yes.
Very good. Please, at the end of this class, I want you to create your own project from scratch and run your own very first Java program. All right, let me see what else do I have. Okay, understand the syntax. This is just an introduction to understand the syntax. So the next one I'm going to be dealing with is comments in Java. All right, comments in Java. Then we'll have some tasks that we'll have to do. Then we'll round off for today. Is that okay?